Hello chat, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for this 2011 BMW S1000RR. Kilometers 23,648 and the price is 11,288 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is available at this time. It's in the showroom, and if you want to come take a look, please do. Call me please. My phone number is 905-660-2901 and the extension 209. And then at the same time, I'll let you know this motorcycle comes with extra accessories, which is the zero gravity dark windshield, sliders, the SW motion tech, and they do have undertail internal turn signals, brand new tires front and rear, and the thumb protector from BMW Motorrad, and the knee holders. As I said, this motorcycle is available. Please give me a call. I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks.